Good evening. The owner of the spice merchant in Old Town says while the suspected thieves tried to get in, he did have security measures in place to keep them out. KAKE Stephanie Maniche is live in Old Town with details for us tonight. Steph?
Well, Deb, it's business as usual at the spice merchant today. But Wednesday, thieves broke what was a window here trying to get in. But I don't think they were ready for what was on the other side. The sound of coffee beans turning could be heard Friday morning. Wednesday night, that sound was replaced by glass breaking. Thieves trying to get in, but couldn't.
I think they first tried to get into the back of our building through a big window that's back in the back that we had sealed up. And they didn't know that on the other side was a wire cage, so they couldn't get into the building.
Spice merchant owner Robert Baywee says after not being able to get in that way, they tried going on the roof.
And after they got on the roof, they broke out a skylight over in the tea shop area. And again, it has this heavy-duty wire at the ceiling level that they couldn't have gotten past.
Spice merchant employee Jacob Wood was surprised at what he saw.
Came in the morning and noticed some things were out of whack in the back, and then come inside and noticed glass all over the place in the tea room and just right over there as well.
Baywee has been in business for about 40 years and at his current location since 1994. Longtime customer of 15 years, Alexis Schmidt, says she hates to see the decline in parts of Wichita.
The Spice Merchant is a unique place, and I love that about the coffee and the tea and the individuality that it brings to the neighborhood and just Wichita itself. It's a landmark and people love to come here.
Baywee says a camera from a neighboring business caught the thieves, and he says he doesn't keep cash in the store and they would have only gotten away with some merchandise. If you have any information, you can call Crime Stoppers or the police. Live in Wichita, Stephanie Maniche, KAKE News on your side.